Dude, look, did you do this?
Yeah, I'm still in the middle of it. Actually, I just put some on there last night.
Okay.
Let it dry. It just came on out.
Yeah.
You know?
All right. So what all's in here for the video?
DD 815, dual 4, 8 6.5 by VO 6.5 by DD, and 2 B3s.
All right.
Got the 815 running off of Wolfram 2500, 2 C3 400s, C4.
C4.
100s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. What's it tuned to?
Around 35, 38 roughly.
Okay. What did you get the most out of it, meter-wise?
So far, 146.7.
Oh, really? One sub?
One sub.
Wow.
That was in the Merc, though.
Okay. Can I see your alternator?
12.4. Yeah, sure.
Dude, that's screaming. I didn't realize you had the tweeters. That sounds good, man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, everywhere. 350. That's a beast. But it only does good when you're revving.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that from? I like that. Is it a dual or a triple? Yeah, a triple mount. Okay.
Customz.
Customz.
All these I got from Customz. I just replaced all my 2.0, going all the way back to my two Rock Stars.
That looks good, dude.
Appreciate it.
Do you have any battery back in the back? You do? Okay.
And 2 North Star 480.
Okay. You got them back here?
Yeah, I got them wrapped up.
I like this.
In case it rains.
That's a good idea, dude.
But I still got to get the top for the back, so I can go ahead and start working on the blow through and all. But
you got some good battery reserve.
I need my voltage up, though.
More voltage. What is the amplifier to?
Straight to the battery.
I know, but do you know the ohm level? What ohm is it?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay.
Yeah, I have everything coming to the back, inside.
Yep.
Coming through, and then coming off into the inside.
Okay.
Talking hella fracas. Just kill him softly with my press. I'm leaving the dress. They say lonely at the top, but this the best shit ever. Hey, don't you see me out here shining? Bitch, I'm barely flex. I hear him talking hella fracas. Don't need stress. Just kill him softly with my press. I'm leaving the dress. They say lonely at the top. Shit ever. And even if we die today, this shit gon' live forever. Live forever. Live forever. With 3 eggs. Fuck niggas ain't put no niggas ain't no eggs on my chest, but all these diamonds got me blessed. Usually I don't do this. Dumb it down, go stupid. Since 17 been counting. My bank accounts on Goofy. It said Cosby gave a groupie. Now who know what the truth is? Chicago full of shooters. My garage is full of hoopers. Got that something drawing all that. My pre-rolls look like ball bags. But I've got something to say and all y'all niggas.
Trying to go with a DSP. See if I can get a little bit louder.
Yeah.
2 more B3s
Okay.
and be straight.
So your voltage is struggling a little bit.
Yeah.
Where was that meter at? Because that was pretty good, dude.
In the port, actually.
Oh, okay.
But I got the RTA on the outside.
Yeah.
But yeah, all my cables are coming straight into it.
Wow.
It'll get a little bit more efficient if I use the duals
Okay.
coming in and out, but I didn't have the duals for the 2i.
But it's rated at 2,500 though, so that's probably about the limit for one 0 to 8.
Yeah.
Or 2 on.
I got the duals, but singles is what I just ran with for right now.
Thank you, man.
No problem.
What was your name?
Michael.
Michael? All right.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Got a demon in him, can't check the stats. All things, red, they need a lot of racks. Down bad, caught a flat, change his tire. You got jack, ass fat, waist snatch. Can I get some of that pussy cat?
Fiberglass top for the back, 2 shocks and all. Same vehicle. But trying to get a new one, I thought about doing a roll up, but I don't want to cover up my port.
Red, Billy, black, got a demon in a can. Ass fat, waist snatch. Can I get some of that pussy cat? On the ride, niggas die. On the side, try to lie, pick a side. They don't these hoes in that shit right that I ain't feeling. We ain't stopping that. With my ex, I ain't left through a tick. What I got with you, I ain't breaking up that. I hate if I play, but got paid for a check. Whenever we together, I won't regret. She like making me the game. I can handle this. Got me through the steps. Put me to the test. She like when I crack smiles. She say you get away. She hate when I lose my temper. Say shit I don't regret. I'm just being a nigga. I really stand out. I walk down when we beef. I really stand out. Make the comments I can. I really stand out. Pull it straight up when you need me. I really stand out. Act like I got zeros. 9,000 in my pocket to my name though. These kind of cases up and drilling on. I told my girl, motherfucker.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.